And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Rovman Powell looks set to become only the 7th Jamaican and the 29th player overall to captain the West Indies team in a one-day international. This after being named the interim skipper for the Caribbean team's three-match series against Bangladesh starting on Sunday. According to a release by Cricket West Indies, the board of directors approved Powell as the interim skipper in the absence of the injured regular captain Barbadian Jason Holder. In addition to his experienced compatriot Marlon Samuels in the 15-man squad, Powell will be able to call on Trinidad and Tobago's Darren Bravo, who played his last ODI for the Caribbean side in October 2016, when the team went down to Pakistan by 136 runs. The squad also includes T20 skipper Carlos Brathwaite and Roston Chase. Recent debutants Fabian Allen, Chandrapal Hemraj and O'Shane Thomas have retained their places following the ODI series against India last month. The team is completed by Devendra Bishu, Shimron Hetmar, Shea Hope, Kimo Paul, Kyron Powell, Kimar Roach and Sonny Lambris. Chairman of selectors Courtney Brown says with two more ODI series before the 2019 World Cup, the Bangladesh series will allow them to narrow their search for the final 15-member World Cup squad. The Caribbean side will be aiming to reverse the recent 2-1 home series defeat in July of 2018.